my name is Angela Anderson, and thank you for joining me here in my studio today. This is where I create my acrylic painting tutorials. I have hundreds of free tutorials here on YouTube and some more premium content over on Patreon. If you're interested in that, you can check out my website, thankfulart.com, where I have all of my videos free and premium tutorials. And I hope that you find something here that sparks your creativity and maybe helps you along in your art journey. I'm really excited to share my art with you, and please subscribe. Join us for one of my live stream tutorials where I teach you step by step from start to finish. You can ask questions and chat with my husband Mark along the way. We have a lot of fun. Hope you'll join us for those, and thank you for stopping by again. Bye.
Mm-hmm.